So here we are in the Polynesian Resort, room 1004 in Morea building. This is not one of the newer Moana themed rooms, but it does seem to have a little bit of the renovation. First off, when you come into the room, you do notice that there is a door here. Hi, everybody. There's a door here for the adjoining room. We actually have someone on the other side, that's one of the ways that they create like the adjoining rooms. One of the first features we notice is the bathroom. You come into the bathroom and you do have this nice tub shower here, and the toilet's in here as well. Your standard amenities and I really love the Tiki bird artwork in these. And then we went down the hallway just a little bit farther, and there's a second like prep room with a standing shower. And that's a really awesome feature for this hotel. It also comes with this sink. It's also in this space that has the hair dryer and lots of storage space underneath the sink. And another mirror. Hello, everybody again. And since this is a deluxe studio, we have just the wet bar and small fridge and coffee maker and microwave. Storage for the room is right here in this closet. It does open wide into the hallway, so just be prepared for that with your extra blanket, laundry basket, safe, and your busboy. These doors on the bathrooms, by the way, they are barn door style, so they slide. And that's pretty cool. Oh, look. Beautiful wife. Oh, hi, Grogu. You enjoying the room, Grogu? Oh, very good. Nice, large flat screen TV with the first of the two Murphy beds in the room. This is a pull-down bed, very easy to drop down. Really, really cute Lilo and Stitch in there. This is just a single twin size. We have the standard artwork for the Polynesian. You find these in the Bora Bungalows. You should check out that video. I do have a tour of the Bora Bungalow that's up on my channel. Nice queen size bed with the Disney Deluxe Mattress. We also have a video about purchasing one of those. Those Disney Deluxe mattresses are incredible, and we have one in our home and we love it. Over here is the couch and the end table, and hidden in the wall behind that couch is the Murphy bed. And these are very simple to pull down. Just grab it and it will come right down off the wall. And as you can see, you have a little bit of Tiki art on the inside, and there's your bed, and there's where the extra pillows come from. So you could technically sleep 5 in here, and it actually has a lot of space. These are some of the larger deluxe studios on property. Michelle seems to really like the Maui lanterns that come up in here. This space is very, very nice. Lots of storage, nice high bed. You can put your suitcases underneath this space right here, and you also have storage in this container right here, which lifts up, and there's more storage on the inside. We also have a very wide balcony, accessible. We are on the ground floor currently, and so we are right onto the ground. So I'm getting reflection in the window, so you can't really see where we are. Maybe I can get it up to the window, but we're right on the ground floor, so we're right out the window. So we do have a small porch out there, but it is and it's accessible from this space. Let me get it open. It is tucked way back here. You can look at the wife while I'm opening it up, if I can get it open. These things always defeat me. But it is nighttime here. We are ground floor, right in the middle of the Morea building. And they're actually currently testing the 50th celebration fireworks, but beautiful little space, and they do mark it so you can actually come in through this door if you want to at night, or if you're coming from the pool or such. But close that up. Like I said, deluxe studio room, lots of beds, currently still in the Lilo and Stitch configuration, but this does seem like it might be a recent renovation. It does have the feel of a recent renovation. The couches look a little newer, the beds look a little newer. So there's a good chance that this room was actually renovated recently before they decided to switch over to the Moana theme. But again, beautiful Deluxe Studio. Hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you liked the video, please make sure that you subscribe, you hit the like button, and comment down below if you've ever stayed in a resort. Bye, beautiful, and goodbye, Grogu. See ya, bye.